Duster has been the SUV behind some unforgettable drives over the years. And in 2026, the gang got together for Autocar Expeditions Mango Trails, an epic 2-day drive down the Konkan coast with the all-new Renault Duster leading the way. Escaping Mumbai onto the NH66, the gang settle into the kind of roads enthusiasts never get tired of. Fast, flowing and endlessly scenic, NH66 delivered kilometre after kilometre of driving bliss. As the day progressed, bright sunshine gave way to rain, and the Konkan reminded everyone why no two drives here are ever the same. By the afternoon, the gang arrived in Daopli, with the best of the Konkan still to come. Deep in the heart of Alfonso country, the convoy traded highways for orchards. Rows of mango trees stretched into the distance as the gang of dusters got a taste of one of Konkan's most iconic produce. Evening of revelry followed with the gang letting their hair down over dinner with traditional folk performances. Day 2 started early, and for good reason. After a quick dash down to the beach, the gang sailed out to sea to spot some of the Konkan coast's famous humpback dolphins. And it wasn't long before they appeared, surfacing alongside the boats, weaving through the water and giving the gang a front row seat of truly special encounter. A fitting end to a weekend of celebrating the adventure-ready Duster and the gang that lives that adventure every single day.
We've had a wonderful drive so far. Driving the new Duster was a wonderful experience. We just love the way the car handled the roads.
Fabulous car. It sort of exceeded my expectations.
I felt it was a carpet ride.
I just loved it, and the car experience is really very good.
The steering is pretty direct, there is no dead play. I love the steering, you get good feedback in the guard section.
It was a lovely experience with all the Dusters together.
Just had a fantastic time with a bunch of other enthusiastic Renault Duster fans.
So thank you Autocar, thank you Renault for a lovely experience. Thank you.
Over 2 days, Mango Trails packed in everything that makes a great drive memorable. Brilliant roads, changing conditions, unique experiences and above all, great company. Yet another chapter in the story of Gang of Dusters.